everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to talk about a hot topic in the crypto world, which is airdrops. So in some minutes you will learn what an airdrop is, how it works, and why it is exciting for both projects and users. Ready? Let's get started. So what exactly is airdrop? In the cryptocurrency world, an airdrop is a way of distributing free tokens or coins to a large number of wallet addresses. Think of it as a promotional giveaway, but instead of coupons and samples, you get digital currency. So here is how it works. A cryptocurrency project decides to distribute free tokens to existing holders of a certain blockchain or to users who meet specific criteria. These tokens are sent directly to the user's wallet, often without them needing to do anything. Sometimes, users might need to complete simple tasks like following the project on social media or signing up for a newsletter. There are a few different types of airdrop. We have standard airdrops. Tokens are distributed to users who hold a specific cryptocurrency. Bounty airdrops. Users perform tasks like sharing a post or referring friends to earn tokens. Exclusive airdrops. Tokens are given to loyal users or early adopters of a project. So, why do projects use airdrops? There are several benefits. Marketing and awareness. Airdrops create buzz and attract attention to the project. User acquisition. They help bring in new users who might be interested in the project. Token distribution. Airdrops ensure a wide distribution of tokens, promoting decentralization. So, are you wondering how to get in on the action? Here are some tips. Stay informed. Follow crypto news sites and social media channels for announcements. Join communities. Participate in forums and join Telegram groups where airdrops are often discussed. Hold tokens. Sometimes, simply holding a particular cryptocurrency in your wallet can make you eligible for an airdrop. In a nutshell, airdrops are a great way to get free tokens and learn about new projects in the crypto space. They are beneficial for both the users and also the project, making the crypto ecosystem more vibrant and diverse. And that is it. You now know the basic of airdrops. So thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. See ya next time.